Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have now with us a brilliant company who are software solution providers. They have quite a good presence in Hyderabad and expanding globally. I warmly welcome Mr. Vamshi
Thank you.
and Mr. Namman
Hi.
to our second edition of IITEX. And we hope that through our joint endeavors, your company would progress more into the development and into AI and other transformative efforts. Uh, as per the theme, what we are going through on AI and different platforms which are available, how do you see that your company, Indigrators, has stepped in, and what are your future, say, visions and missions to establish yourself as a global company?
Thanks, Ankit. I'm Vamshi. I'm one of the co-founders at Indigrators, carrying more than 20 years of experience in the IT industry. Primarily, we set up this company, Indigrators, in India to provide the offshore services for various partners in Europe and other parts of the world where they wanted to set up their GCCs in India. So we are here to help them and set it up. So we are primarily doing with a few partners in Netherlands, Poland, and Germany, and also in Belgium as well. Our main vision as part of our founders' goal is to build a strong foundation of the teams in the various like you said AI and other domains as well, like industry 4.0 and IoT segment. So that's what we are building, the teams, R&D teams, and then nurture them and then build and maintain them over the long period. In terms of AI, we are we are not completely into that right now, but yes, we are one of our product has the AI algorithms which can detect what kind of solution has to be provided for the certain problems. Okay, so these kind of algorithms has been already there. So we are building this another AI solution which is in the IoT segment. Okay, so that's what our flagship product, which Namman will explain in a bit, where it will do a lot of AI analytics, provide for these organizations to take corrective actions. So that's how we are mission, and then we are working with various partners in India as well in terms of providing our software solutions for their hardware. Together, we are deploying it to the end customers. So that's what our main business line right now is. Yeah.
That's wonderful, sir. Your company's name, Indigrators, is quite interesting. How do you coin this term?
Uh, Integrator is a word derived from a word called integrator. Integrators is a technical word which a lot of software professionals will integrate. So we used India in front so that India will integrate with a lot of businesses. That's where we came from, this particular word, and yeah, that's what the idea behind it basically. Yeah. Yeah.
What software solutions do you have?
Um, Primarily, we are a product development company, right? So we provide the R&D teams, developers, regular developers, testers, functional consultants, and all those services. But the main difference which we have with the other services companies, we provide the cherry pick resources for the partners, where we make them integral part of the core ecosystem. That's what we primarily do, and and then we have other teams also which does like global customer support and like functional consultants who implements these products at the customer end. So all those services are also provided as part of our thing. And then one bigger thing is the advisory for the GCCs. Now that the lot of organizations from Western world wanted to set up their entities in India. So we, as a facilitator, we help them to set up the GCCs in India. Build their teams and operate their teams, and then we will transfer their teams to their entities when they are fully functional in India. So that's what the services which we provide here. Yeah.
That's really great. My question to Mr. Naman.
Yeah,
Now,
hi.
so, what major projects your company is running right now, and how do you see the expansion of your company as a co-founder? How you see the business?
We are developing a solution for Industry 4.0 and plug and play devices for power electronics and EV sectors. Like for IoT device, you can see many players are there in market. Gateways and all are already available. So we are different. Like we are providing a ready solution for a particular segment. Like we have a solution for EVs and power electronics, which can monitor and control the batteries and the power flow. So you can and we our dashboard software has an AI based scripts. So using that technology, we can do predictive, preventive maintenance, as well as we have a script which will find the anomalies in the data, and it will give the alerts. A real time alert system is also there, and predictive alert system is also there. So we are providing AI driven IoT solution for particular segments. So we are expecting to grow in this way.
That sounds really wonderful. Would you like to add something which we, as say, from MSME segment, are not aware of? What are the say challenges you see we cannot see? So, how your say solutions can help MSMEs to grow?
Okay, so we as part of this expo as well, right? So we have been visited by a lot of few companies, even our co exhibitors who are coming to us, and they are explaining that they have certain challenges in maintaining their machinery or their plants. So on learning what kind of solution we are having in terms of this IoT and ready-made solutions, they really wanted to work or enable these solutions at their plants, because that will help them more productivity, efficiency of the machinery as well. So that's how we are seeing our solutions to support those MSMEs and other bigger organizations as well, which wanted to set up. So that's what we want to progress. And our solutions are like a customized and flexible in terms of any kind of use case with they coming in, we can customize it and then provide them in within a couple of months time, or not more than 3 months time, so we can deploy the solution at their systems. Yeah, that's it.
So, do you have any strategy to reach out to industries, large, small, or medium, or to MSMEs? Like how you are say focusing more on expansion or inclusivity, like
Yeah.
not just on focusing large segments of EV and say renewable energy. What about small, say industrialists?
So one bigger thing is we are not we are also very new to the industry, like 2-year-old company. Okay, but still we are being partnered with NASCOM. We are a member of NASCOM team, and also now part of FTCCI, where we collaborate with these organizations to reach out to the bigger team, and we are being part of their initiatives in terms of any kind of expos and in-house initiatives which NASCOM is also taking, right? So we have been part of, so that's where we are seeing that we can grow together. And also the kind of network which we are having as part of the founders, so we are forming a group of companies, and then we are now reaching out to many people here. That's how.
That's really wonderful. And FTCCI wishes that your company would grow, and soon you will become in that category that you will come as a sponsor for our future endeavors.
course.
Thank you so
That's
much
what-
for being with us,
Thank you.
and we wish all the best.
Thank you so
And
much.
Have a great evening.
Thank you so much, Ankit. Thanks for this opportunity to the FTCCI, and yeah, thanks for this.